You're beginning to irritate me.
I know. Most of you won't even get to the trouble to theme the GNOME apps. But what if I'll tell you that this time is super easy to try it, and if you don't like it, it's a single click to go back to original settings? Let me show you, alright? Your first move is to get Rewaita from FlatHub, okay? Your second move is to go to Github, and, give me a minute here, please. It's this thing again that drives me completely nuts. Stupid Python, really? I mean, it is noticeably slower, so you suck the user nerves, and then it totally consumes more energy, so you suck planet resources. And at the end of the day, if you suck in Rust, just ask Claude AI to do it for you. Got it? Anywho, I didn't open GitHub to attack on Python, that came naturally. But basically I wanted to tell you to add the file permissions so Flatpak apps can read the theme configuration, okay? Now, let's give it a go. First we'll pick a color scheme from here. I'll choose Material Palinite, and as you see, the app gets instantly themed, which unfortunately is not always the case. So I'll choose another theme, and this time I'll pick one of my favorites. But now you see that GNOME files didn't follow up, and that's because apps need to close and reopen for reading the configuration files, which is probably the biggest limitation of third-party theming, other than the plans for GTK to completely drop the CSS configs in the future, in GTK 5 or something. If you still be alive to see a GTK 5 release! You know, chances are against you, but on the bright side, you won't face the controversy. Oh wait, that's an actual life miss! Just checking if light themes works. Another thing is that there is an option to change the window controls. We can set it to colored or macOS style, so X can become red or a full circle. Nope, don't like it. And of course, you can also set your very own colors. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna try that. Sorry! And, if you don't like the changes, you can easily revert everything back. That also need restart. Alright, I'm back to dark maybe. There you go. Not completely smooth transitions though, but there is nothing the app developer can do about it. Look, Chuck Norris made dark mode happen, and that's a true story. But for making an official GNOME theme support, we need to go to the next level.
특히 올해 예상치 않게 맞닿은 방역전선과 자연재해 복구전선에서 우리 인민군 장병들이 발휘한 애국적이고 영웅적인 헌신은 누구든 감사의 눈물 없이는 대할 수 없는 것들입니다. 우리 당이 걸어온 영광 넘친 75년사를 갈피갈피 돌이켜보는 이 시각, 오늘 이 자리에 서면 무슨 말부터 할까 많이 생각도 해보았지만 고맙습니다 이 한마디뿐입니다.
But really now, I don't believe the problem is that we can't globally retheme the GNOME apps. Oh no, I don't think that's the actual problem. If you're asking me, I'd say that the completely stupid part is that applications like web, but not only. For example, files can fall into this category too. They don't offer official multiple colored themes for users to pick from. Because most usually, people want to change colors on specific apps, rather set yet another color for freaking everything. It's stupidly boring.